Hello and welcome to this FABRIC tutorial about the Find Available Resources notebook. In this video, we're going to talk about how to check for resources available to reserve at the FABRIC sites. Resources can be CPUs, RAM, disk, network cards, etc. This is version 1.0 of the video. We are using FabLib version 1.2.4 and we will try our best to update the videos as the testbed and FabLib evolve. We are going to take a look at how to identify available resources using the FABRIC portal and from within a notebook using FabLib. This tutorial assumes that you already have a FABRIC account and have been added to a FABRIC project. We also assume that you have the contents of the FABRIC config folder set up correctly. To set up the contents of the FABRIC config folder and the FABRIC RC file, please see the related video. First, we're going to look at how to identify available resources using the FABRIC portal. The first thing we need to do is to log in. After logging in, we can click Resources, and then we're going to see the resources available. So here we see the site name and then the cores available, disk available, RAM available, GPU, etc., etc. And on the map we can hover over a site, and then after we hover over the site we can see that the available resources are displayed at the right. So for Salt Lake City, here are the available cores, here's the available disk, here's the available RAM, etc., etc. Now we're going to look at how to find available resources from within a notebook through FabLib. First thing we need to do is to go to Jupyter Hub, so we click Jupyter Hub, and then the Jupyter Lab interface is going to start. We can go to the notebook Find Available Resources through the Start Here notebook, so we can just click Find Available Resources, and it takes us to the notebook of Find Available Resources. You can also use the File Explorer, so we go to Fabric Examples, FabLib API, Get Available Resources, Get Available Resources. It's going to take us to the notebook. Please note that I am using a slightly modified version of the notebook. Also, please note that in order for the notebook to work, the contents of the FABRIC config folder have to be set up correctly. Please see the related video for details. The first thing we need to do is to run the first cell. When we run the first cell, we import the FabLib manager, and then we get the FabLib manager in the variable FabLib. After that, we can call functions such as list sites, which gives us a list of sites along with details of available resources on each site. We can also call fablib.getResources and get the same result. For each site, first we get the name of the site, and then the number of cores available, the amount of RAM available in gigabyte, and the amount of disk available in gigabyte. Then we get the number of basic NICs available, which are shared NICs, and the number of dedicated ConnectX-6 and ConnectX-5 NICs. Basic NICs share the same physical card, but ConnectX-5 and ConnectX-6 cards, they are each a separate physical card. Dedicated NICs may perform better than shared NICs. Then we see the number of available 1 TB NVMe disks. Then we see the available NVIDIA GPUs. We have Tesla T4s and RTX 6000s. We can also use fablib.showSite, which prints out the details that we've talked about, but for only one site. So here, for example, we print out the details for the site Michigan. We get a few additional bits of information, such as the number of worker instances at the site and location information. Now fablib.getSiteNames gives us a list of the names of all the sites. So we can combine this with fablib.showSite. So we get the list of site names, loop over them, and then call fablib.showSite on each site name and print out the details for each site individually. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.